Alright everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can do about fixing this bad boy today. We got one bad fan, one incredibly bad fan.
I'll try spinning, that's a good trick.
So yeah, we'll go ahead and tear it apart and get it put back together. Funny thing is, the warranty sticker is over here on some MOSFET instead of on one of the things. So technically speaking, after I'm done, it's still under warranty. Right? Not like I need it. It's way past the warranty anyway. It still even has this on it, which is hilarious. But let's go ahead and do that. warranty sticker on it. Alright, so it looks like these ones are sealed, which means I can't repair them. I might be able to get some IPA down in there and clean them out because they are really dirty. But as you can see, that ain't a rubber piece. It's softer plastic, but I don't think I can get it out. I mean, I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Worst thing I have to do is buy a new fan. Yeah. Luckily, they still do make these because people keep using them. Long life bearing. Obviously not long enough. Alright, so we'll just toss some IPA down in there.
A few moments later.
Alright, time to go wash those. Okay, and we are back. So I'm gonna need new fans, so we probably aren't gonna be able to start it up today. But I can at least reassemble it and go from there. It's the wrong thermal paste. Oh, I do have the good stuff out. Cool. So we'll go ahead and reassemble this and go from there. that's all we can do for today. So get the replacements and put them on there when I get them. I will test it out and let you guys know how it goes. Okay, as you can see, I managed to get the fans working. These are the original fans that I was having issues with. Basically all I did was take a crap ton of IPA and literally dunk them in it. Spun them around, let them dry out, they're good to go. I'm just as shocked as you. But it's working. And they are running. On to the thermal test. Okay, so where we're at right now is just slowly going back down to 20 degrees. We got a max of 41 there. Fan speed only got up to 50%. And it's currently at 40%. As you can see on the left, it's great for the card it is, horrible as a graphics card nowadays. But all's working as expected. Yeah, that 20 degree mark is coming up really fast. Like, this thing just idles at 20 degrees Celsius. That's kind of impressive.